Well, this setting is a little different from what you're used to seeing in my videos, but I'll get to that. I am back in my room, this is my place, and I'll be riding out in a moment. I don't usually do a camera kind of thing. Like, I don't talk to the camera like this, but there's always a start, right? So there's a couple of reasons that I'm riding out right now. The first one being this is my Dell Inspiron 15. This is where I edit my videos that you get to see. The battery is a little fucked up, so I'm gonna get that fixed from Nehru Place. Also, this is a Motorola X. If you can see, that's my dad's phone, old phone. He's using another phone right now. This is completely shattered, so I'm gonna give this to the Motorola service center. And I need to talk to you guys about something else, so let's be on our way.
Well, what is up, people? This is your boy Abhimanyu, and this right here looks like a pretty recognizable frame from any of my videos. I am on my motorcycle, and as I told you earlier, I am going to get the phone fixed first. So I am heading to the Motorola service center. I messed that up last time also, so I'm heading to the Motorola service center. I have set the location up on the map. It's right here. So yeah, there's this thing I wanted to talk to you guys about, and that being, a lot of you think that I have something against Royal Enfield riders and Royal Enfield as a brand, because of the video that I made titled as why I make fun of Royal Enfield. A lot of people didn't get the video, I would say, for the purpose I made it for. The video was getting real popular really quickly. It was gaining a lot of attention, and attention in not a very positive manner. Like there was a battle going on between the Royal Enfield riders, I mean Royal Enfield lovers, and Royal Enfield haters, kind of a thing that was going on in the comments battle, and that's not what I made the video for. It was kind of a sarcastic video, and a lot of people didn't get it and were very offended about it. So what started happening there was that people who really like Royal Enfields started dissing me and that kind of stuff, not understanding the whole context of it and the sarcasm behind it. And the Royal Enfield haters, they started trolling the Royal Enfield lovers, and that went on in the comment section. There was a complete war. There was a massacre, man. But the video was gaining popularity. It had over 10 to 12,000 views in just 3 to 4 days. It was picking up pace. Chuttad aadmi. But I took it down. So for that reasons that my message wasn't really well communicated, I took it down, and I'm here to explain now. And you might ask why. Is because a lot of people didn't get the sarcasm then, but people from Royal Enfield sure did, and they had no problem with it. I recently got invited to the Thunderbird X launch by Royal Enfield. Pretty sick motorcycle in my opinion. I mean, it was an attempt by Royal Enfield for creating the motorcycle that Royal Enfield riders buy their bikes and modified them for. So Royal Enfield tried to give them the complete package, and I think that's a step forward in the right direction. That's all my opinions about it. I mean, the introduction of alloy wheels and tubeless tires and that kind of stuff is always welcome, and it's a step in the right direction. So yeah, they invited me at the Royal Enfield showroom in Saket. So that is why I'm making a video right here talking to you guys about it. It's not because Royal Enfield invited me to the event, that's why I have changed my opinions or something like that, that many of you would consider. But the thing is, the past video had a lot of sarcasm in it that not a lot of people got, so I took that video down. And yeah, I don't have anything against the brand. I really appreciate what they're doing with their motorcycles right now. I think they're trying to target the younger audience now, and that is very much appreciated, and that is a step in the right direction to me. So while I'm waiting for this signal to turn green, you might as well watch some clips that I shot from the Royal Enfield event. Enjoy. So yeah, I hope you like those shots, and I must say it was a really well organized and curated event by Royal Enfield, and I really appreciate Prateek, the guy from Royal Enfield that invited me. And yeah, that is about it. Kahan hai idhar?
A few moments later.
So turns out it's a pretty old phone, and the screen is pretty damn expensive. I mean, it's more than the current value of the phone. So might as well scrap this one and buy a new one. That is the best option for right now. And there's a Dell showroom nearby, so I'm gonna check out if they have a battery replacement for this model of mine, and if they can fix the problem that I have. So mission 1 failed, looking forward to mission 2. There's the Dell showroom.
Eventually.
So I'm on my way back home right now. Mission 2 was a success. Got the battery issue solved out. Turns out the battery was completely gone, that I already knew. Also the charger was faulty, so bought a new charger for it as well. The laptop is working fine now. Everyone gets intrigued by the helmet there. I went to the Motorola showroom. The person sitting on the counter was intrigued. He asked about the helmet. Went to the Dell showroom. The employees were intrigued, asked all about the helmet, what I do, etc, etc. I get asked a lot of pretty funny questions about this helmet. I'll talk about that in a separate video. The boy was telling his mother about the camera. See, pretty intriguing, the helmet, and the camera is almost intimidating. So with these type of videos that you're seeing right now, I'm gonna kick the upload rate up and keep you guys entertained with the things I do in my life and other stuff as well. The ride videos and the usual stuff will continue. I'll plug in these kind of videos in between. I'm gonna try and do 2 to 3 videos per week. So 2 videos, that is what I'm aiming at right now. If I get the chance, I'll even do 3 videos a week. Just need your support with that. I'm not a lifestyle vlogger kind of a person. I don't like to show my face in front of the camera as much. Maybe I'll get comfortable with it and try doing it a bit later, but these type of videos will keep you entertained in the meanwhile, I hope. If this video gets a decent response, I'll keep doing such stuff. So if you like this video and you want to see more of this kind of stuff and me talking about certain topics, do give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, there's one more thing that I wanted to talk to you guys about. That is, I am planning to buy a new helmet. I am planning to upgrade. So if you have any recommendations in the price range of 8,000 and below, do comment in the comment section below with your recommendations. I would really appreciate your suggestions. I'll take them into consideration. So for the meanwhile, that is it, and I hope you like the video. Do give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.